Hey guys, BadKarma Fix here. Let's get it on.
Close your eyes.
Operating it, pop that nut off. You and I are gonna pick this transfer case up and set it on this.
Okay. I got him holding it. Okay. All right.
Wait for a minute. All right, we're gonna get this closer to the table. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. Easy does it. Thread that in a little bit. Looks good. All right, you want to set up a this.
Oh yeah, dude.
You got something to
Oh yeah.
you got something to rest this trans on when you take it off the fan?
Right.
Filter.
We still dripping?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. It's okay.
I'll just leave these in. Okay.
2,000 years later.